You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model S long range refresh with 44,000 miles that comes fully loaded, ABS traction, stability control, premium wheels, full self-driving, fully paid for, air adaptive suspension, Yoke steering wheel, whether you love it or hate it. Car's in excellent shape. Keyless entry, phone is key, blue exterior, beige interior. Inside we have 44,063 miles. It's long range, full self-driving, fully transferable. Let's go to heat pump, AMD Ryzen processor, wireless charging pad, cameras, nice beautiful Yoke steering wheel. Nice clean car. My flashlight turned on all by itself, so I don't know if everything's looking a little distorted. Nice TV screen in the back if you want to watch Netflix when you're parked. Actually, you can watch it while you're driving, if you're ever sitting in the back seat. Nice clean car. FSD will fully transfer. It is fully paid for. If you're interested, please give us a call. Phone is 508-921-0301. Thank you.